In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade audio in Canva. Whether you're polishing a quick social clip or a full presentation, adding a clean fade in and fade out makes your audio feel professional and keeps your audience focused on your message. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. In the results, choose the official Canva website so you're working in the right place. Once you're on the home page, log in with your usual method. You don't need anything special for this, just access to your account so you can edit your designs. Next, open the Canva design or project where you want to adjust the audio. This might be a video, a slideshow, or any project that already includes an audio track. When your project loads, look toward the bottom of the editor for the timeline. Your audio appears there as a purple bar, which makes it easy to spot at a glance. Click the purple audio bar to select it. This tells Canva that you want to work specifically with the soundtrack rather than any visuals in your design. With the audio selected, look to the top toolbar and click Audio Effects. This is where Canva groups helpful sound controls, including the fade settings we're about to use. You can also get to the same place by right-clicking directly on the audio track in the timeline and choosing Fade. Both routes lead to the same fade controls, so use whichever feels faster for you. Now adjust the fade in and fade out sliders to set how many seconds the audio should take to rise from silence at the beginning and ease back to silence at the end. Shorter fades, like half a second to 2 seconds, create subtle, polished transitions for most clips. Longer fades can be useful if you want music to gently sit under a voiceover, or if you're aiming for a slower, more cinematic feel. The key is to match the timing to the mood and pacing of your project. As soon as you apply these settings, you'll see slightly transparent areas appear at the start and end of your audio track. Those shaded sections indicate that your fades are active and show exactly how much time each fade covers. Play the beginning and end of your timeline to hear how the fades sound and make small adjustments to the sliders until the transitions feel natural. That's all there is to it. With a few clicks, your audio now fades in smoothly, fades out cleanly, and gives your Canva project a polished finish.